and then returned back to St. George.
Law enforcement in Utah County eventually finds both of the two middle children at a family friend's home, and they were picked.
And while they were looking for the middle children, Kevin Frankie, Ruby's husband, had arrived at the police department.
And it was jammed in there.
It's clear that he didn't want to say anything that would hurt either of them, but we later learned that Jody had contacted Ruby to come get her kids from the apartment. And then she had called Kevin.
You know, Jody, she is a therapist and a life coach. Is your wife a client of hers? Is your wife a partner of hers? I know that they've been in business for the last year, so we just had Ruby and Jody, they're little Jody, they've done podcasts. This is what the next is next.
Riding the struggle bus right now.
And this is Ruby Frankie. I found connections and had searched a little about that, and I learned Jody was the founder of Connections, which was almost a religious-based therapy.
Truth is unchanging. It's eternal. And when I tell myself the truth, then I am loving my soul.
So no one in our office had ever heard of Jody Hildebrand before, but we quickly came to learn that she has a social media presence.
My name is Ethan, and my wife and I were a part of Jody's Connections program. I know Jody Hildebrand's name just because in the right circles it's like a very popular name. You have these little group meetings where people come and hear other people being vulnerable. That's a great thing. There was this whole program built around life coaching, support groups, making phone calls, making communications, and being connected. I remember the first time I got on the website, and there were testimonials and videos of just couples that looked happy and they'd overcome things together, and especially did a good job of marketing yourself online and creating content that looked inviting.
I've been writing some notes. We are having a couples workshop tomorrow.
Utah is obviously home base for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. And a lot of individuals have very minimal exposure to anything related to therapy. And so when Jody comes in with these pictures and videos, and then she starts to teach this idea of living a life that's honest, responsible, and humble, helping people to live in truth, to be like Christ, it feels like it's groundbreaking. It's almost like a secret, like a hack life hack.
All right. Looks like we are spool.
My husband and I had been married
All
for
spools in this guy.
3 years when we started seeing Jody. It was really helpful for me. It was probably the first time
11
I
Master
ever
Lock.
had a woman in
Thank you.